good motor.
Yep. It's a Westie.
Oh my god, and the metal works? How? That's a good one, man. I'm gonna put my money on Montgomery.
Oh yeah. Sure. Oh yeah.
It's Montgomery.
I'm definitely gonna do my cab view before it gets. Had the interior redone, obviously. Oh, nice. I want to switch sides. 7,000 pounds. Wow. And we'll go to 2 and get off at 1. Oh, nice.
How'd you do that? Held the door closed?
I held LL.
What? Let's see if that works on this one.
Okay. See if it. Here, I'll do it. Oh, I'm gonna still want to get off at LL.
Yeah.
Let's hold it down again.
Okay, this is a good one.
I'm gonna get off here. I already got like a 2-minute video. It's a nice, beautiful elevator.
Oh, I love this elevator, dude.
You gotta get a good video of it.
Yeah. I'm just gonna get my solo.
Okay, hold on. Okay, that's it.